Alright, yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're joined with Hassan. Why is my mic quality? Anyways. But yeah. We're just playing Ragdoll Engine. That one famous Roblox game. Every little. Let's go to this first. Oh wait, we can tell. Alright, so do we just kill ourselves?
No, you're supposed to join the team. Look at my dead body.
Oh my god! Wait, where was the team? Oh god damn it, dude. Trying again.
Okay, let's go to the slope slide.
Alright, yeah. Big slide.
The slope stairs.
Whee! Oh my god. Let's go. What's... Yo, bro, can you catch me?
Okay. You didn't even.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, why is this game
What
so
does this do?
brutal?
Minefield. Oh! Oh crap.
There you are.
Where'd my body go? Oh my god! Okay, yeah.
Infinite risk.
Oh, I want to hit this jump so bad. Oh! Bro, that's insane.
Oh, that was
Oh, bro, I didn't even make it out. Yay! Alright. Plinko! Where's the team?
Yeah, we're gonna be playing Plinko.
Yeah, I won £5.
Yay, I want a worm.
What the hell? Orange team. Big landmine. It didn't work. Oh crap. Bro, your body's all the way over. Oh my god.
What is it?
Slide tower. Oh. Bro's dead. Alright, slide tower. Whee! That's so funny. What's this? Common flame. Cannon flame. Oh.
Brutal.
Red
Go over
Bull.
here.
I want to drink Red Bull.
It does not give you wings.
It does!
Bad. Man, I'm dead.
Oh, what the hell? Fly.
Hey, let's go.
I want to fly.
Oh
What-
man, that was so
where's my body?
disappointing. That was so disappointing.
Oh.
Okay, let's go to the team battle.
The team. Oh, I call red. A pool.
Okay, I'm so stupid.
Look, it's a pool.
I have no funny. Where's the funny? Where's the funny? I need to find the funny. Where is the funny?
Wait, do the short one first.
No.
Let's go. I can swim.
Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming.
Oh no! I missed it. Wait, I'm gonna put a camera here so you guys can properly see it. You're blocking the view.
No, I'm not. Hello, guys.
What? Hi. Oh no.
I almost drowned.
I call backflip. I landed on the ground.
What happened?
I have a challenge for us.
What is the challenge?
Try hit this.
We jump off and try to hit that. Okay.
Yeah, basically just jump off and try hit that. Oh my god. Oh!
I'm not...
I'd say mine was the best. I'm totally not
why is this-
biased.
Why is this game so like... Why is this game so brutal?
I don't know! Ah!
Else this will happen to you. Whee!
Basically, like and subscribe, all that will happen to you. Yeah, I don't think you want that to happen. So please like and subscribe. I've just said that like 50 times.